Peter Joy had developed a range of portable kitchens as part of the Midwest catering offering, and he'd taken himself off to a car park in Cheltenham in the back of an industrial estate, and he was renting portable kitchens.
We had about 6-7 units when I joined, and then every year from then we pretty much doubled the number of units we had.
Linda Crow, she was employee number 2 and I was employee in number 8.
I used to do the drawings, send quotes, answer customers' queries, sales, transport, fleet admin, and I occasionally cleaned units and maintained them if they had to go out urgently. But we were all like that.
It was a fantastic product in a market that was gagging for this solution. So sales was determined on how quickly you could build portable kitchens to satisfy that demand. The first project I remember delivering was the installation of our very first system kitchen, and that was at St Mary Abbots Hospital in London.
It was brilliant, because from there we got lots of other big system kitchen type projects with the army and hospitals and people like that.
It was quite a step for the company that had only been building portable kitchens to come up with this very new concept of modular kitchens, and then the modular kitchens, like the portable kitchens, took off. We were quickly supplying them to other hospitals, particularly the prison service, the military, and then into commerce.
Over the last 30 years, PKL has created more than 15,000 kitchens, installed 500,000 pieces of catering equipment, and created kitchen infrastructure that has helped feed tens of millions of people.
Appledore Shipyard,
Glastonbury Festival,
Bosnia,
London Oasis Academy,
Marley, New College Oxford,
Reese Heath,
Community Links,
Pub in the Park,
NBC Television,
Friarage Hospital,
Rio,
Trinity College, Cambridge,
Beijing, Cleve Secondary School,
Rockpool Tour Catering,
Honestbee,
Guangzhou was the Asian Games, North Middlesex University Hospital,
Gosford, Warden Festival.
We are so experienced in it and we understand it so deeply that actually you just have trust in people to deliver it properly, and we do deliver it properly.
the people.
Purely the people within the building.
the people.
People that are passionate.
It's lasted for this long, I think, for one reason, because I think it's a great employer, it's great with people, and it's just a great place to be and to work.
Because we're good at what we do.
Good quality means that people come back to you again and again.
People are looking for their problems to be solved, and what PKL do throughout our business areas is we solve problems, we look after clients, we deliver on challenges, and we deliver.
I think if you care about your customers, you're forward thinking about your products, you always want to do things the honest and correct way, you're likely to stay in business. We have got growth opportunities, I think, in every division of our business.
Doing more interesting, challenging projects where the client really doesn't know where to take something, this particular challenge they got can be done, and we can come along and help them solve that problem.
Arbage Guzzlers, we've got U-Select, we've got Kitchen Pods, and we've still got Project Iron and Events thriving. So it's how we can keep growing those UK divisions, but also what other products can we identify along the way to help us grow our portfolio even more.
We're planning for good quality consolidated growth.
It's actually now just down to us to deliver it, and that's pretty rare that you can look across each area and say, I think we can flourish in most, if not all, of the areas we operate in.